the next. If you want to see how I got this hairstyle, keep watching. I miss my old one, but you know, we have to change. It can't be the same. Keep watching. Hey guys, welcome back. I am going to be restyling my hair. I'm still going through styles. I have a few styles in my head that I want to do. I think I want to keep it simple this time. So yeah. But I slept with my deep conditioning mixture in my hair overnight, tied it down with a scarf. So I'm about to just comb it out, rinse it, and come back so we can begin the styling process. If you want to know what I used to deep condition my hair, I'll put the video up in here somewhere to my deep conditioning video, or I think it's a hair 101 or something like that, but I'll put it up here and I'll be right back. Let me just rinse my hair out, so stay tuned. So I'm back, freshly washed. I will put a video up here on how I removed my glue. My hair didn't come out. I got this method of baby oil, conditioner, blow dryer, all that cute stuff. You can, like I said, see, I'll link the video up here. But yeah, as long as you take out the bonding glue properly and the way I do it, you should be fine. You know what I mean? I cut my hair down because I had a lot of split ends from me wearing my units, and I just was like, let me get rid of those hair. Let me get rid of the hair. Hello. But yeah, I'm just here, you know, to just show you guys my styles. By no means you have to do it with like the way I'm doing it. You don't have to add hair. You know what I mean? I've been getting a lot of comments about me adding hair. This is just my preference, my channel. This is what I do. You know what I mean? So just wanted to come on and say that quickly. But yeah, I'm just going to be adding a few tracks in the front, and then the rest of my hair will be curled. But instead of me talking, I'm about to show you. So let's start. I'm going to be using Nairobi. I'm going to be using a do-rag today because I want my hair super slick. So this is the do-rag I'll be using. So yeah, I'm going to be molding my hair down to the front. I'm going to put the do-rag on. I'm going to blow dry it because I broke my, well, I didn't break my sit on the dryer. It just...
Baby, some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.
So I am done bonding in the tracks. It's very thin. It's very, very thin, as you can see. It's super thin. I just want some weight in the front. Like I said, you don't have to bond the hair. You don't have to bond any hair. And if you do, if you follow my video on how to remove it, it should be fine. You don't have to bond any hair. Disclaimer, disclaimer, you do not have to bond in hair. Okay. But I just went to the store, so I bought 2 more packs of the Dreamweaver hair. So yes, I can continue to slay. But I didn't use the whole pack. My last video, I used the whole pack of hair. I'm not using the whole pack. I actually cut the pack in half, and this is what I have of the other half. So literally, I would say I use maybe 65% of the half of pack. So I have a good amount of hair left, plus like I said, I just bought 2 more packs of hair. So yeah, I was gonna put this in, but then the way I want my hair to be styled, it's not necessary. So yeah, let me see how much tracks I added in. So like I said, I didn't use a lot of hair this time. I used a little bit of tiny hair. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the hair. I'm going to cut it into the style, and I'm not going to say what I'm going to do. I just want you to see the magic happen. So yeah, this is the hair. This is my hair. And I am going to create magic as usual. And stay tuned in and watch.